Hi everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. Today we will talk about the formula 百合固金汤. The ingredients are 百合、生地黄、熟地黄、麦门冬、玄参、桔梗、贝母、甘草、当归、白芍. Actions: nourish the yin, moisten the lungs, transform phlegm, and stop cough.